Mock exams in Lernabl let you practice exam-style questions, so you can build confidence and spot gaps in your knowledge before the real exam. From the menu, open Mock Exams and choose the topics you want to be tested on and the question types you'd like. You can also set a timer and number of questions for a more realistic exam experience. Then select your country and education level so the questions match your curriculum. When you're ready, start the mock exam and work through each question one by one. After you've answered all the questions, submit your exam to see your overall score, time taken, and a breakdown of which questions you got right or wrong. Each attempt is saved in previous mock exams. From there, you can view results or retake exams with the same settings, making it easy to track your progress and feel more prepared on exam day.